Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and notification not working, not showing on your iPhone, so how to fix this problem. So guys, first of all, check do not disturb. Scroll here. If do not disturb is on, now turn off do not disturb first. After turn off, see the next solution. Open setting application and now scroll down, tap on notification. Here you can see. So guys, make sure scheduled summary turn off. Now after that, go back from here. Here guys, preview, make sure always selected always, and after that scroll down. So guys, if you don't see notification of any specific app, then check here its notification is off. If it is off, then you can on. I have all the notification, so I am doing it on step by step. You can see appears on screen here. Now see the next solution. Now tap on setting application. Now scroll down, tap on general, and here is a tap on background app refresh. If any specific app notification not you are receiving, simply check here is turn off. Now make sure turn on here. After that, now guys, check if software update is available. Now update your software. After that, see the last solution is, so restart your iPhone's volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold a power button until you will see the screen. Simply guys, scroll here. You can see now turn off. Now after few seconds turn back on. I hope your problem will be solved.